One of the things that I really wanted to ask you about is you talked about conversations openers and conversation
Oh,
closers. And
yeah.
this just sounds like this is a skill that I want to
Yeah.
hone. So could
And
you talk a bit more about it?
I'm still sharpening it myself because it was a
Uh,
real edge for me because somebody observed many years ago. Everything you reply to me is just a closer of the conversation. So that's
wow.
where it came from.
What a that's that would totally shut me down. That's
Yeah,
a
sure.
conversation
Yeah.
closer in
So
itself.
I just really, we get an intuition, we get a hit, we're listening to feedback, we're following what's happening with the client's process, we're following what's happening with our own process.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting a strong hit, and we need to say something or to ask a question or to intervene in some way to change the direction for the client or to open something up.
Right.
And the skill is, how do we do that actually opens it for the client and makes possibility rather than closes it down where they feel judged or shamed or shrunken. And it's the tone, it's the pacing.
Mm-hmm.
And often if I'm in a panic, or particular supervisees that I'm working with are in a panic or afraid or feeling low rank with their
Mm-hmm.
client, then their interventions are, and mine too, can be less spacious and coming from a less spacious place. So they can be landed over in panic. I must do something here.
Mm-hmm.
And that can often be a statement or a tentative question that can close the thing down. Whereas taking a bit of time to do a little bit of inner work and really listening to the intuition or the hit or the piece of feedback you want to work with, and then just formulating that into a question of curiosity.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the essence of it, curiosity.
I really like that because it goes beyond this idea of like open questions and closed questions. Yeah, because that sometimes a closed question, like something with a yes or no answer, could be a real conversation opener. It really depends on the
Absolutely.
context.
Absolutely. So it's more about what's going to get the client to open
Hmm.
and share or open and be in more conversation about it rather than what's going to contract them, put them
Hmm.
under pressure
Hmm.
because I'm under pressure.
Right. We are under pressure.
And
So
they
you,
may be under pressure and putting us under pressure to get results.
right.
So there's two of us in the room under pressure, and the important cruxes and the heart of the matter can be getting missed.